Go to controls, go to settings, service reset, on. It will bring the wipers halfway up the screen for easy access. We're now going to go outside the car and change a wiper blade. Lift the wiper arm up and you will see a black square. Press the black square in, it will release the arm. When you come out, you will note it is number 4 on the plastic. Release the clip, i.e. like that. Gain your new wiper blade. Put the clip on, like that. Insert the wiper arm back in. Those 2 lugs either side need to be outside the wiper arm. The black clip will go back in. Your wiper arm and blade is secured. Okay?